Hello guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these PowerPoint slides. I also want to thank all of you for your support. That is what motivates me to keep creating. Let's get started. First, delete the current slide and insert a new blank slide. Go to Design and click on Format Background. Under Solid Fill, change the color to black. Now let's insert our first background image. Select the image you want as your background and insert it to cover the entire slide. Now go to Insert and select a rectangle. Draw the rectangle like this. Go to the Format tab and change Shape Outline to No Outline. Right-click on the rectangle and go to Format Shape. Then go to Gradient Fill and change the preset gradients to the Medium Gradient option. Delete the middle stop mark. Now, select the first stop and change its color to black. Select the end stop mark and increase its transparency while also decreasing the brightness. This ensures the text will appear clearly on the slide. Let's insert a text box and write the content in it. Now, let's add our first image. Adjust its size. And place it like this. Under the Format tab, go to Crop, then to Crop to Shape, and select the rounded rectangle. You can also adjust the curve using the yellow handle. Under the Format tab, go to Picture Border, choose White, and increase the border weight. Let's add our next slide picture. And make it smaller than the first image. Crop it into a rounded rectangle, then add the third picture and do the same. Let's add our fourth picture outside of the slide. To give it a modern look, let's add some slide indicators. Insert a small circle and draw it like this. Under the Format tab, change Shape Outline to white and Shape Fill to No Fill. Go to Shape Outline again and increase the weight. Duplicate it. I'm duplicating it 4 times because I'm only making 4 slides. Now, place them in the middle of the slide like this. Since this is the first slide, I'm going to give the first circle a white fill. Select the circle, go to the Format tab, and set Shape Fill to white. Now duplicate the slide by pressing Ctrl+D. Go to the second slide and change the slide indicator. Select the first indicator and set Shape Fill to No Fill. Then fill the second indicator with white. Increase the fourth image size to match the third image's size. And resize the third image to match the second. Resize the second image to match the first image's size. Now delete the first image and bring the second image to its place, moving the other pictures as well. Give this picture a border. Then change your text. And the background image. Delete the previous image and insert the new background. Go to the Picture Format tab, and under Send Backward, click Send to Back. Now select the second slide and add the Morph transition to it. Repeat these same steps for the other slides. Here, I have created 2 more slides in the same way. All right, let's see the slideshow now. Perfect. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Let me know your ideas in the comment section.